Time for Bali, baby. Out here in Bali, man. Fucking beautiful. So on my way here, hopped in a taxi. The guy said they had a meter. Halfway from Kuta to Canggu, he decides to say, oh no, the meter's broken. He tries to overcharge me. And I just told him, hey man, I'm either paying 100, which is half the going rate, or I'm getting out. Started to get out. And the dude was like, okay, fine, 100. 40 minutes later, arrived at my hostel. Just goes to show when you're traveling, man, you just gotta be on your game. If you know the price, set your price. And yeah, that's story time. Just out here at Tanah near Canggu in Bali, and it's fucking unreal. Here, just have a look. That thing over there is a floating temple. It's actually a temple over on top of the rocks, and it's all got carved in stone, and it just looks absolutely unreal. It just makes me want to continue to explore and just check out all these places. I want to keep living my best life, you know? Always have a smile on my face. Temple in the back, the ocean, the breeze, it's life.
Imagine if you didn't need nothing. Imagine if you knew. Imagine if you didn't need nothing. Imagine if you knew.
If you've never been to Tanah in Bali, I highly suggest it. It may be a little bit touristy, but once you escape where all the people are and just enjoy the fresh air, the breeze, the ocean, it's unreal. Now that I've explored Tanah for about an hour, taken a bunch of pictures, got a bunch of videos and everything, I'm gonna go find some waterfalls, man, so stay tuned.